Alright, so I'm just making a little quick video of the process of replacing this string which ran from the tone control into these variable slug, I don't know if they're IF transformers or what they are, but anyway. So this is the one that runs out through everything and onto this guy here, connecting to that little pole. I did notice the end of the old string where it's been terminated is looking rather black and burnt, so I might have worth having a poke around and see how that could have happened later. But anyway, first of all I'm just going to grab this guy out from there. And here's one I prepared earlier, a new piece of string with a knot, so we'll rethread that. First a small hole up to the knot, then through the brass, not over, through the brass eyelet, back through the second hole, back through third hole. A bit like an old school tent rope when you went camping when you were a kid. That's your little adjustable affair. So there we go. That's that guy which sits up above there, and will in time operate the little variable slug guys. So moving around the corner a bit here, we'll thread that little fella through over that pulley, and then move around the corner a little. I'll determine a bit of a approximate length that it needs to be. We do have that adjustment there, so I don't think it needs to be perfect. So I'm going for about there. Got a marker in my hand. I'm just pulling it back around the outside here to tie a smallish loop. I find that these picks are great for tying knots and such in this, for pushing things through where you need them. A little bit fiddly. Knit one, purl one. There we have a nice little loop, hopefully big enough to saddle over that plastic pole. Now, for the moment, I'll tuck that guy on there. I will may have made this a little bit short. There we go. So we're on. I'll do something to hold that down a bit later, I think, whether there's a small clip I can fit over it. and I'd like to see whether that knot's in a nice place. I might put a bit of felt just behind that little sharp fulcrum point. Possible that may have worn through on there over the years, but apart from the finer parts, we've got the rolling action there, which pulls the wires and operates our slugs, which you can see around the back here as well, as I'm rolling that basic tone control back and forth. Job done, except for a bit of cleaning up. I'm pretty happy with that.